One thing I've learned in my life is not to plan ahead, not to put expectations on anything. I know it's a bad habit we all have. We all have a lot of habits, but I've learned not to plan ahead because most of the time it doesn't work out the way we plan it. Especially when you put expectations on everything, it tends to disappoint you. Or along the way, your planning just fails. So my solution is, and what works for me, hopefully it works for you, is to estimate. An estimate planning. Let's say, and if God willing or inshallah. But don't put your head on it and don't put your heart too much on it. Just estimate and go along as it goes. Everything will always happen the way it should. Whatever you see in your mind, you will get it if you believe in it. But don't put expectations on it, because once you put expectations on it, you are creating detours and you're creating blocks and fails and everything like that. So yeah, my advice is don't plan, estimate. Love you all. Bye.